What if I told you that you could start a working duck farm? Real ducks, real eggs, real income for less than 50 bucks. Not a hobby, not a backyard experiment. An actual duck farming setup that feeds your family and puts money back in your pocket. Most people think raising ducks is expensive, complicated, or only for people with land. They're wrong on all three counts. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to prove it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete beginner's blueprint. Everything you need to start raising ducks the right way, even if you've never done this before. And hey, if you're into duck farming, backyard food production, or building something real from scratch with almost no money, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop content that actually helps you do this stuff, not just talk about it. Let's start with the obvious question: why ducks? Here's the thing. Most beginners jump straight into chickens, and chickens are fine, but ducks are honestly one of the most underrated farm animals on the planet. Ducks eat insects, pests, slugs, stuff that destroys your garden, and they do it for free. Duck eggs sell for 2 to 3 times the price of chicken eggs at farmers markets. Duck meat is premium. They're tough. They handle cold weather way better than chickens, and they don't need a fancy setup to survive. And here's the part nobody talks about. Duck farming has incredibly low competition right now compared to other types of poultry farming, which means if you're selling duck eggs or duck meat locally, you're not fighting 10 other people for customers. You're usually the only one. So yeah, ducks. All right, let's get into the blueprint. I'm going to break this down into 4 things: housing, water, feed, and your actual ducks. That's it. Number 1, housing. This is where most beginners overthink it and overspend. You do not need a fancy duck house. Ducks are not chickens. They don't roost, they don't need perches, and they sleep on the ground. What they need is protection from predators and somewhere dry to sleep. A basic duck shelter can be built from scrap wood, pallets, or even a repurposed dog kennel with a tarp over it. I've seen people start duck farming with literally a wooden crate and some chicken wire around the perimeter. The goal is keep them safe at night, keep the wind off them, and keep the floor dry. Minimum size, about 4 square feet per duck inside the shelter. That's it. If you're buying materials from scratch, a small shelter for 5 to 8 ducks will cost you somewhere between $15 and $25 using basic lumber from a hardware store. If you're scrappy about it, pallets, scrap wood, leftover fencing, you can do it for almost nothing. Number 2, water. Ducks need water, not just for drinking. They need to dip their heads in water to clean their nostrils and eyes. This is non-negotiable for keeping ducks healthy. But you don't need a pond, you don't need a pool, a basic rubber livestock tub, the kind you find at farm stores for about $8 to $12, works perfectly. 5-gallon buckets work too. The trick is to place the water source away from the sleeping area, because ducks are messy with water and you don't want wet bedding inside the shelter. Change the water daily. That's the main maintenance task. Takes 2 minutes. Number 3, feed. Small yard, a patch of grass, a garden area. They will eat a significant portion of their own diet. Insects, worms, slugs. Here's where you save serious money compared to other poultry farming setups. Ducks are foragers. If you give them space, even a plant matter, they go after all of it. For supplemental feed, you want a waterfowl pellet or an unmedicated starter feed. Medicated chicken feed has a drug called improlium in it. It's fine for chickens, but it's not right for ducks long-term, so just make sure you're grabbing unmedicated. A 50-pound bag of feed runs about $15 to $20 and will last a small flock of 5 ducks about 3 to 4 weeks if they have access to forage. So your ongoing feed cost is genuinely low. Number 4, your ducks. This is the fun part. For a beginner, you want to start with 5 to 8 ducks. That's a manageable number. Small enough to learn with. large enough to actually see results. The best breeds for beginners in duck farming are Khaki Campbells and Pekins. Khaki Campbells are egg machines. They can lay 300 eggs a year, which outperforms most. Chicken breeds, Pekins grow fast and are great for meat. Muscovy ducks are excellent if you want both eggs and meat and you want a low-maintenance bird. Ducklings from a local farm supply store or hatchery run between $3 and $6 each. 5 ducklings. That's $15 to $30. Put that together with your housing and feed costs, and you're genuinely looking at a full duck farming starter setup for under $50. Okay, so you've got your ducks. Now what? The first 30 days of raising ducks is the brooding phase. This is when they're young and they need extra warmth. Ducklings can't regulate their own body temperature for the first few weeks, so you need a heat source. A basic heat lamp, the red kind from the farm store, costs about $10 and works perfectly. You want the temperature under the lamp to be around 90 degrees in week 1, and you drop it by 5 degrees each week after that. By week 4, most ducklings can handle regular outdoor temperatures as long as it's not freezing. Keep the brooder dry. Wet bedding is the #1 killer of young ducks. Use pine shavings, change them every 2 days, and make sure the water dish isn't too deep. Young ducklings can actually drown in deep water, which sounds crazy, but it's true. Use a shallow dish with marbles in it for the first couple weeks. By week 3 to 4, your ducks will start looking like actual ducks. Feathers coming in, personality showing up. By week 6 to 8, Pekins are close to full size. Khaki Campbells will start laying somewhere around 16 to 20 weeks. That first egg is a moment. I'm just going to tell you that right now. When you're raising ducks and you find that first egg in the morning, it hits different than anything you buy at the grocery store. Let's talk about the money side of duck farming, because this is what a lot of beginners want to know. Duck eggs are a premium product. At a farmer's market, duck eggs typically sell for $6 to $10 a dozen. Some specialty markets pay even more. Compare that to chicken eggs at $2 to $3 a dozen. And you start to understand why keeping ducks for eggs is genuinely profitable at a small scale. If you have 10 Khaki Campbell hens laying, that's roughly 250 to 300 eggs a month during peak season. At $8 a dozen, that's around $160 to $200 a month from 10 birds. Your feed cost for 10 ducks is maybe $30 a month. You do the math. Duck meat is also a strong market. A Pekin duck raised to 8 weeks weighs around 7 to 8 pounds and sells for anywhere from $5 to $8 per pound at farm direct prices. That's $40 to $60 per bird, processed. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that 5 ducks are going to replace your income. That's not the point of this video. But what I will tell you is that duck farming at a small scale, even 15 to 20 birds, is genuinely one of the most cost-effective ways to produce your own food and generate side income from a tiny piece of land. Real quick, let me give you the full checklist so you can literally go out and do this after this video. 1. Small shelter, 4 square feet per duck, predator-proof, dry floor. 2. Rubber water tub or 5-gallon bucket placed outside the sleeping area. 3. Unmedicated waterfowl or starter feed, 50-pound bag. 4. 5 to 8 ducklings from your local farm store or hatchery. Khaki Campbell for eggs, Pekin for meat, Muscovy if you want both. 5. Heat lamp for the first 4 weeks of brooding. 6. Pine shavings for bedding. Change every 2 days. That's the whole list, under $50, start to finish. Duck farming is one of those things where the hardest part is just deciding to start. Everything after that is just showing up and learning as you go. And trust me, the ducks will teach you fast. If this video helped you, do me one favor. Hit that subscribe button. We're building a whole series on duck farming, backyard food production, and how to make real money from a small setup. You don't want to miss what's coming. And speaking of what's coming, the next video is something a lot of chicken keepers need to hear. The title says it all. Stop raising chickens, why ducks are the ultimate backyard moneymaker. We're talking about why ducks don't carry the same respiratory diseases that wipe out chicken flocks, why they eat your pest problem for breakfast, and why duck eggs are bigger, richer, and sell for way more. It might just change how you think about backyard poultry entirely. Drop a comment below telling me what you're most curious about with duck farming. I read every single one. See you in the next one.